The Battle of Bannockburn, fought on June 23 to 24, 1314, was a decisive engagement during the First War of Scottish Independence. It marked a major victory for the Scots, led by King Robert the Bruce, against the English forces under King Edward II. The battle occurred near Stirling Castle, a key strategic fortress held by the English. The Scots, heavily outnumbered, used their knowledge of the terrain to their advantage, positioning themselves in a narrow area flanked by woods and marshland, which neutralized the English cavalry's effectiveness. On the first day, the Scots repelled an English cavalry attack, boosting their morale. On the second day, Bruce's forces, organized into disciplined schiltrons, tight infantry formations armed with spears, advanced against the English army. The English were unable to break through the Scottish lines and became trapped in the confined terrain. Panic and disorganization spread among Edward's forces, leading to a chaotic retreat. The victory at Bannockburn solidified Robert the Bruce's position as Scotland's king and bolstered Scottish independence efforts. Although the war continued for years, Bannockburn remains a symbol of Scotland's resilience and determination to resist English domination. It is celebrated as one of the most significant moments in Scottish history.